Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are going to study about the preparation of alkane, different methods of preparation of alkane. In previous lecture, we have studied about the conformation or the isomerism of alkane and some properties and the formulas, journal formula for alkane. Now we'll see what are the ways of preparing alkanes. Okay, the first way, that is industrial preparation of alkane, which is deleted in your syllabus. So we can skip this part. Okay, this one, only this one, industrial source or industrial preparation. Yes. So the next method of preparation of alkane is from unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so you can prepare or you can form alkane from ethene, like alkene. Okay, you can form alkane from alkene, any alkene. If you want to prepare ethane, so you have to take ethene molecule. Okay, if you want to prepare propane, so you can prepare propane from propene. Okay, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So see, it is hydrogenation reaction. Okay, it is what come on hydrogenation reaction. You are adding hydrogen and breaking that double bond. Okay, the unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbon, are those organic compound which containing double or triple bond. Okay, so by adding hydrogen, you can break those bond. Okay, double bond into single bond. The conversion of double bond into single bond by hydrogenation reaction. Okay, it is called catalytic hydrogenation of alkenes or alkynes. Okay, first, if you will take triply bonded substances, that is alkynes. Okay, so first alkyne will break into doubly bonded substances, that is alkene. Okay, now alkene will convert into alkane. Yes, if you will take doubly bonded substances, double bond unsaturated substance, that is alkene. So alkene is directly converted into alkane. One step reaction. Yes, so it is, the reaction is catalytic hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Yes, in presence of catalyst. Catalyst is metal here. Okay, see, finely divided powder of platinum, PD catalyst. Okay, PT or PD, platinum or palladium catalyst. In presence of these catalyst, you can write this reaction like this. Okay, this is doubly bonded unsaturated compound. You are adding H2 here, hydrogenation you are doing, and on the arrow the catalyst is written at room temperature. You can use PT, PD or anionical. Okay, at high temperature or high pressure. Yes, so these are breaking into the bond is breaking into this compound. Okay, and single bond is formed here. See, if alkynes are there, triply bonded substance, then two times you have to take. Okay, first a triple bond convert into double bond, and double bond will further conversion takes place, and double bond will convert into single bond. Okay, so you have to take two times H2 here. Okay, hydrogenation reaction. This like this. These are the reaction. Okay. So we can solve this example. Okay, we can solve example related to hydrogenation reaction. I am drawing some alkene here. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name for this compound? What will be the product here? You have to write. Okay, if the PT, that is catalyst, is written on arrow, room temperature or high temperature, okay, high pressure, okay, and you are adding H2. So if alkene is present, so double bond, that is reduction process takes place here. Okay, reduction process will be there. So doubly bonded substances reduce into single bond. Okay, addition of hydrogen is reduction, correct? So we are adding hydrogen. First give the numbering or give the name for this compound. So see, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. the structure is like this: 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, on carbon number 2, on carbon number 2, in between carbon 2 and 3, the double bond is present. Okay, I will give number to this: 1 2 3 4 and 5. See, in between 2 and 3 the double bond is present. Okay, so and the remaining valencies are hydrogen here: CH3, CH2, CH and CH and CH3. Yes or no? So this is the structural formula and this one is bond line formula. Okay, simply you have to draw the molecule as it is, the given molecule as it is. Okay, the reactant molecule as it is: 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and this, just you have to remove this bond, this one, and add H here, these two hydrogen, one H on one carbon, another H is on second carbon, third carbon and second carbon. Okay, just break the bond and fulfill the valency of remaining valency with hydrogen atom. That's it. Okay, so the propbutene, or sorry, it is pentene, pent2ene. Okay, the pent2ene is converting into pentane, that is alkene. So we have prepared alkane here. Okay, so this is the one method of preparation of alkane. Okay, any catalyst will be there. Ni हो सकता है, yes, and PD हो सकता है, palladium, nickel, platinum. So it is a catalyst which increases the speed of reaction. Catalyst is what? Which increase the speed of reaction, but it is not actually participating in reaction. Okay, it is not appearing as a product. Okay, it is not reduced. The concentration of the catalyst will not reduce, okay, or not increases after the reaction. It will remain as it is. Okay, the catalyst will remain as it is. It is just increases the speed of reaction. Okay, after adding catalyst, the reaction, the time required for the reaction will be less. Yes, without catalyst जो reaction होता है वो उसके लिए टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, और विथ कैटालिस्ट द रिएक्शन, फॉर द रिएक्शन टाइम विल बी, टाइम requirement of time will be less. Okay, so next method or next preparation methods is from alkyl halides. Now what is alkyl halides? So alkyl is from alkane. Okay, methyl, ethyl हम बोलते हैं ना. Alkyl is what? Methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Okay, when methane is CH4, when you remove one hydrogen from methane, so it will become CH3. Yes or no? So CH3 is what? Methane. CH3 is methyl, CH4 is methane. Yes, so after removing one hydrogen, the alkane become alkyl. Okay, the name will become alkyl. Okay, halides are halogens. Halogens means chloro, bromo, bromine, chlorine, iodine, fluorine. Okay, these are the halogen. These elements are called halogen. Okay, so this is alkyl halide is a common name for haloalkane or compound containing halogen. Okay, alkane containing halogen. See, first, what are haloalkanes? Or see, this is what? CH4. Okay, it is methane. If I remove this hydrogen, so it will become CH3, correct? It is what now? It is methyl. Methyl, you have to say methyl. Okay, if I replace this hydrogen. I replace this hydrogen by any halogen, that is X, any X group. X may be chlorine, bromine, Br, iodine or fluorine, F. Okay, X में भी क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन और फ्लोरीन, कोई कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. X है ये, हैलोजन से रिप्लेस किया. सो इट इज alkyl group, methyl group, that is alkyl group, and halogen. So this is alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide. See, if for example chlorine is present here, if chlorine is present here, so it is called CH3Cl and it is methyl chloride. Okay, what it is? Methyl chloride. Another example of, okay, alkyl halide का एक और example ऐसे. Okay, this is CH ethane molecule. I am drawing ethane. Okay, this is ethane. Ethane is CH3 bond CH3. If I remove this hydrogen, any one hydrogen, so it will become ethyl. Ethane to ethyl. Understood? Okay. Now I am adding bromine here. Yes, Br. So it will become ethyl bromide. Okay, ethyl bromide. Ethane to ethyl and ethyl to ethyl bromide. So it is alkyl halide. Okay, ethyl is alkyl group and halide bromide is halide group. Okay, halogen group, halogen atom. So it is a common name for alkyl halide. Yes, ethyl bromide. So now we are preparing alkane. Okay, from alkyl halide, these compounds, alkyl halides. Okay, see. First method, by reduction of alkyl halide. So for alkyl halides, on reduction with zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid Zn and HCl from alkanes, in presence of Zn and HCl, the reduction process is taking place. It means the hydrogens are adding, we are adding hydrogen. The reduction is this. Okay, इधर भी reduction हो रहा है. Yes, and this is also a reduction process. Means reduction is nothing but a process in which hydrogen is added. Okay, the reduction of alkyl halide is due to nascent hydrogen obtained from the reducing agent Zn and dilute HCl. First, Zn and dilute HCl, zinc and hydrochloric acid will react and provide H. Okay, hydrogen. We are not adding hydrogen separately. Okay, Zn and HCl provides the hydrogen and then the reduction will take place. Okay, the halogen atom is replaced by hydrogen. Okay, see. One, two, three. Okay, CH3, Cl, H, CH. So this is 2-chloropropane. Okay, it is propyl chloride. Okay, it is propyl chloride from halogen. Okay, we are preparing what? Come on, alkane. Okay, the second methods, that is reduction method. So we are using Zn, zinc, and hydrochloric acid HCl. So these two reagents will provide H here, nascent hydrogen. Okay, single, you have to write like this. And what will happen? Just draw same molecule as it is, no change in the carbon skeleton. CH3. Okay, and H as it is. Just replace this chlorine or the halogen with this hydrogen. It is so simple. Just you have to replace with this halogen by hydrogen atom. Okay, hydrogen atom. So CH3, CH2, CH3, it is what come on? Propane. So propyl chloride, propyl, reactant molecule is propyl chloride. Okay, propyl chloride to propane, propyl chloride to propane. So this is the one of the methods of preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. Now the next, by using reactive metal. So reactive metals, example is sodium, magnesium. Okay, when you react, when alkyl halides and reactive metals are react, it will form a reagent which is called Grignard reagent. Okay, Grignard reagent. In 19th century, alkyl halide were transformed to alkane having double the number of carbon by Wurtz coupling reaction using the reactive metal. Okay, so this is the name reaction which is important. This is Wurtz coupling reaction. If magnesium is used, then it is called Grignard reagent. If sodium is used, then it is Wurtz coupling reaction. Okay, WURTZ. Okay, CH3Br plus 2Na plus BrCH3 in presence of dry ether. Okay, CH3 and 2NaBr. What is happening here? Two alkyl halides are present, methyl bromide and methyl bromide, and we are adding to sodium. Okay, 2Na, and these 2Na forming NaBr, 2NaBr. Okay, and CH3 that is ethane. Yes. So now next method is alkyl from magnesium. Yes, alkyl magnesium halide. Okay. It is Grignard reaction, and this reaction is very important. Okay. It is almost in every chapter. Grignard reaction. If you will study about ketone, aldehyde, there is also a Grignard reaction is there. Okay, and in every chapter in alcohol, you will see Grignard reaction. Okay, so it is very important reaction. Alkyl magnesium halide. What is alkyl? It is called the alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. Okay, alkyl group, magnesium and halide, these three. See, alkyl group को represent किया है R से, magnesium is Mg and X is halogen. So it is alkyl magnesium halide and it is called Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent and water reacts, it will give alkane. But before reaction of water and Grignard reagent, we have to prepare a Grignard reagent. Yes, so Grignard reagent is prepared by alkyl halide and magnesium Mg. When magnesium Mg is react with Rx, that is alkyl halide, in presence of dry ether, it will give alkyl magnesium halide, which is Grignard reagent, and this Grignard reagent will react with water and it will form alkane, and this is the byproduct MgXOH. Okay, so example is given here, methane CH3MgI. See, CH2Br. Okay, this is CH3 This is ethyl bromide. When reacts with Mg, magnesium, okay, so it in presence of dry ether, so it will give, just replace or shift the magnesium right hand side, and in between this alkyl group and this halogen group, magnesium, you have to write magnesium atom, okay, CH3, CH2, Mg is Mg and Br, okay. These two groups are separated by Mg. Understood? So alkyl, magnesium bromide, and it is called Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. And it is very useful almost in various reactions, okay? A Grignard reagent. When this Grignard reagent reacts with water, okay, that is H2O, so Mg and Br is replaced. MgBr is replaced by hydrogen. Okay. This CH3 you have to write as it is, CH3, CH2 as it is, and this MgBr is replaced by Mg. So sorry, it is replaced by hydrogen. Okay. H. So this is what come on, CH3, CH3. Okay. Ethane. Ethyl bromide to ethane. This is the two-step reaction. Okay. Now the byproduct will be MgOH. Okay. MgOH Br. MgXOH. Okay. This is MgBr OH. MgBr OH. So this is the byproduct. This is the main product which we want to prepare, that is alkane. Okay. So see, H2O is OH NH. Okay. This H is replaced, or this H is adding here. We are adding H here, and OH is going with Mg. Okay. So MgBrOH. So this is the very important reaction, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, you have to remember, Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is the Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is the Grignard reagent. Okay. So this reaction is very important. Please solve different example of related to this reaction. So we'll see this part and stop here. Preparation of Grignard reagent is an exothermic reaction, hence no heating is required in this reaction. Okay, so first magnesium metal gradually disappears and magnesium atom get bonded to some carbon. So these are some important points you have to know. First is magnesium metal gradually disappear. Magnesium atom gets bonded to the some carbon that previously held halogen. Third, alkyl group remains as it is or intact during the preparation of Grignard reagent. Okay. So no change will occur in alkyl group. Alkyl group will remain as it is. Okay. Alkyl group will remain as it is. and the changes will happening. The changes is what the Grignard reagent is replaced. Okay, in the Grignard reagent Mgx is replaced by hydrogen here. Okay, so this is all about the preparation of alkane. In our next session we will see the chemical and physical properties of alkane. Okay, so that's all for today. So practice the reaction, various reaction related to this important reaction. Okay.